Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing a limited edition luxury beauty box. Well, it's not a box, it's a bag. It's a gorgeous bag and this is by Beauty Expert. That's what it looks like. This was released a few days ago and it's the Restorative Beauty Edition bag. It's rather heavy. I'll open it up and give you details about it in a little while, but I just thought I'd tell you a little bit about Beauty Expert and who they are and what they do, etc. So Beauty Expert is the sister group of Look Fantastic. They're both owned by the Hut Group, as are Glossybox as well, but Beauty Expert has a more mature sort of target audience. So Beauty Expert brings out their collection limited edition bags every season. This is their autumn edition and all products are high-end, luxury and all full size. If after watching this video this bag doesn't take your fancy but you're curious in seeing what other edits are like, then you are able to go onto their website and pop your email down to be added to the waiting list so that you get notified when they bring out these limited edition collections. All information related to Beauty Expert and this edit will be listed down below, so underneath this video see show more, click that will bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So let's tell you a little bit more about this bag then. So looking on their website, I'll just give you a little bit of information about this bag. It says, as autumn approaches, it's time to embrace the crisper weather and look forward to warm, cozy evenings. What better time than to start or build your existing self-care routine? By opting for luxurious products such as the ones included in their Restorative edition, this will help you to unwind, de-stress and relax. If you know someone that deserves a treat, you can ensure that they will be delighted to receive this indulgent collection. Created by Beauty Experts for any lover of beauty to enjoy, discover a sense of inner peace using the season's most coveted beauty luxuries. Collectively, the items are worth £195 and you're able to buy it for £69. So let's open it up and show you what you get inside. These bags are, oh my gosh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, smells like a really nice spa. But yeah, I was just going to say these bags are really lovely. I got the Glow Edition bag a couple of months ago and yeah, it's really, really nice, really nice. So in every edit you get a booklet and it details all the products that are featured in the edit, plus there's articles on like home fragrance, how to use cleansing oils. So it's a really nice little booklet to have a good read of. But yeah, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. So the first item is by Jurlique and this is a nourishing cleansing oil with soothing black elderflower. And we've got 200 mils here. Ooh. So that's what it looks like there. It says massage 2 to 3 pumps onto dry skin, including eye area. Add warm water to emulsify and rinse thoroughly. Use morning and night. And looking at the booklet, it says that soothing black elderflower extract helps soften, smooth and brighten skin around the eye area, while our farm-grown botanical blend of birch, calendula, spilanthes, rosemary, yarrow, lemon balm and licorice help to gently cleanse and protect skin against environmental aggressors. So there's the first item. Next we got a big bottle of Molton Brown London and this is Coastal, Cypress and Sea Fennel bath and shower gel and this is 300 mils. Oh, we love them in this house. We all love them. We have quite a few in different subscription boxes, not this big, we normally get little tiny ones. Oh, they're just so nice. Just really, really nice scent and they just leave your skin feeling nice and soft as well. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Just looking at the information in the booklet, it just says, reminiscent of a day by the sea, this oceanic inspired shower gel provides a moment of respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. So there's the second item. Next we've got a Balance Me Hylauronic Plumping Primer and this is for sensitive skins and it's 99% natural, it's new, it's 30 mils and it's for enlarged pores, hydrating and fine lines. So that's the outer packaging. Tried a few products by Balance Me but no, I haven't tried this one yet. So what's it say about it? A perfecting and hydrating primer for all skin types designed to sit over moisturizer to help minimise the appearance of enlarged pores, soothe fine lines and prime skin for makeup. That sounds perfect. Absolutely perfect. Hyaluronic Plumping Primer. That disguises pores. I can't wait to try that. Really can't wait. Some information in the book. It says, with a formula that contains a natural alternative to Botox, facial muscles are relaxed and fine lines have a reduced appearance just after one use. Further enriched with Arctic cloudberry and antioxidant superfruit that helps protect skin from environmental aggressors. Continuous use of this primer helps to prevent premature aging. A beauty essential. Enjoy a revived and restored appearance with this makeup primer. So there's that. Next is a product by ESPA. This is from their tone range. Hydrating Floral Spafresh Spritzer. Aromatic toner to refresh and soothe. And this is 100 mils. I love face sprays, absolutely love them. I do have quite a few down here, but I just love them, absolutely love them. So yeah, I can't wait to give this a go. So that's what it looks like there. So it says refresh and revitalise the complexion with this delicately scented hydrating toner. Enriched with essential oils and flower waters, this lightweight toner soothes and protects, leaving skin beautifully soft and subtle. Subtle, I keep saying subtle, not subtle Claire, supple, supple. So there's that. Next we've got something by Juiceberry, and this is Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer, and this is 50 mils. Yeah, £70 moisturizer. So if any of you have tried this brand before, let me know down below. But yeah, Oop, I'm just taking the lid off. Wow, you've got a big pot here, or it seems to be a big pot. What is the purpose of this? I'm not... I must come across as so stupid. I'm so sorry. Okay, I don't know. That's what it looks like there anyway. But then, why is this squidgy there? You press it down. I haven't got a clue. I haven't got a clue. I'll, yeah, hopefully one of you will tell me. But that's what it looks like. Here, moisturise with a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into a rich, great formula to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Certified organic, antioxidant-rich ingredients hydrate for lasting, advanced, age-defying results. Daily use of this moisturiser can help to improve skin tone and luminosity. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a candle, and this is by NEOM Organics London. Feel refreshed scented candle, and it's sent to boost your energy. So it looks like there. This is gorgeous. I've already got one of these, and I'm so chuffed to have another one. Really, really chuffed because it's lovely. The packaging is so smart, but yeah, the smell is out of this world. It just reminds me of walking into a... I'm not sure if I've ever said this before, but a Centre Park spa. Centre Park's in Longleat. If ever you've been and you've walked in there, you'll know what I mean. About 16 odd different rooms, and you've got all these essential oils and smells coming out of them. It just smells like that. It's just lovely. Oh, there. I'll show you what it looks like. So really lovely, isn't it? So it says, with a burn time of up to 35 hours, this candle can give you an added boost, helping you to feel more alert and energised. Utilising 100% natural fragrances for the mind and body, this candle is a step towards achieving contentment and comfort. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll show you them individually. First we've got a Jurlique Nourishing Cleansing Oil. Then we got a Balance Me Plumping Hylauronic Primer. Then we got an ESPA Hydrating Floral Spafresh Spritzer. Then we got Molton Brown Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. Then we got a Juiceberry Stem Cellular Anti-Aging Moisturizer. And lastly we got a NEOM Scented Candle. And all items come in this gorgeous blue bag. So those are all the products inside the Beauty Expert Autumn Collection Limited Edition beauty bag. All details and everything will be listed down in my description, so if you're interested in taking a look, then you're welcome to do so. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.